Good morning, children. Children, I welcome you all to today's session of English literature, and we are on to Merchant of Venice, Act 2, Scene 5. And this scene, it is taking place before Shylock's house, and here Launcelot has come to invite Shylock. Now enter Shylock and Launcelot. Launcelot, you remember, is the ex-servant of Shylock who has now joined the services of Bassanio. Shylock, well, thou shalt see thy I shall be thy judge. The difference of old Shylock and Bassanio. So Shylock is saying that he's trying to play a comment or satire on Launcelot that you yourself will now going to see, you will now be seeing that who is better between me and Bassanio. What Jessica, thou shalt not gormandize. Right? Here there is a one word called gormandize, and this means to wake up and uh, to wake up and be ready, right? To wake up and be ready. So he's saying what? In a shouting mode, Sherlock says, "What, Jessica? Haven't you woken up? Are you still lying on the in the bed? And haven't you woken up? As thou hast done with me, what, Jessica? And sleep and snore and rend apparel out. Why, Jessica? I say." So he's saying, "As thou hast," means he's trying to complain to Jessica that you had made me ready to go to that party, but you yourself are still lying in the bed. You have not come out of that. You are still sleeping and snoring, right? So he says you should come out of the bed immediately, uh, right? You should come out and rend apparel out mean wear the suitable and appropriate dress. Rend apparel means to wear an appropriate dress. Launcelot. Why Jessica? Launcelot also speaks in the same tone. See here, both of them have spoken the same lines. Sherlock also says why Jessica, and Launcelot also says why Jessica. Sherlock, who bids thee call? I do not bid thee call. Sherlock says, who has told you to call out? I have not said. Launcelot, your worship was wont to tell me that I could do nothing without bidding. So Launcelot saying that your worship is you, your worship means you, had always told me that I can do nothing without bidding means without being told to do so. Without bidding means without being told to do so. Jessica, call you. What is your will? So Jessica says, were you calling me? What do you want? Sherlock, I am bid forth to supper, Jessica. There are my keys. But whereforth should I go? I am not bid for love, they flatter me. But yet I'll go in haste to feed upon the prodigal Christian. So Shylock says that I'm going, bid forth means I'm going there for supper. I've been asked to join some people for supper. Supper is basically an evening meal. Supper is an evening meal. Okay. And he says, Jessica, there are my keys, but wherefore should I go? I'm not bid for love, they flatter me, but yet I'll go in hate. Means, but why should I go there? I don't want to go there actually, and I'm not going there for the sake of love. I don't like them at all, but they have flattered me, and because they will be flattering me there. But I'm going in hate, means I'm going to increase my enmity or my hatred towards them to feed upon the prodigal Christian. And while feeding there, the dinner hosted by prodigal. Prodigal Christian here refers to basically Bassanio, who pays no heed to the money which he has. He borrows money and then he spends it like a spendthrift, right? He spends it like a spendthrift without caring for the consequences. Jessica, my girl, look to my house. I am right oath to go. There is some ill brewing towards my rest, for I did dream of money bags tonight. So Sherlock is saying to Jessica to look after his house because he says that I'm right loath means I am I have made up my mind to go there, but he says that I am going there with a heavy heart because there is some ill brewing. Ill brewing refers to something wrong which is going to happen. So there's something wrong is going on in his mind that this might happen because he had dreamt of money bags. He has seen some money bags. Launcelot, I beseech you, sir. Go, my young master doth expect your reproach. So Lancelot saying, what are you saying, sir? Please go there because my young master Bassanio wants to see you, your reapproach means your reaction after sending remove after giving that debt to him. What is kind of a response? Shylock says, so do I. So Shylock is saying, I also want to see how what is his response for that money. Lancelot, as they have conspired together, I will not say you I shall see a mask, but if you do, then it was not for nothing that my nose fell a bleeding. So it seems that I think Lancelot saying that I think that some conspiracy is going on, and he's saying that I cannot say that whether you will not be seeing a mask. He's indirectly hinting a lot of things that there will be a mask because Jessica is there, and he's passing on all the hints to Jessica. So be ready for that time, right? And he says that you should not be very surprised if something happened because my nose bleeded tonight, right? Black Monday last at 6 o'clock the morning, falling out of that year. Ash Wednesday was 4 years in the afternoon. So these are all ill omens which he is talking about, right? These are all the ill omens which he is talking about, which Lancelot had seen. Sherlock, what are their masks? Hear me, Jessica. Lock up my doors, and when you hear the drum and the willy sequeling of the wry-necked fife, he's saying, okay, what masks basically are some parties where people put some mask on their faces and they dance. They dress up into the attires of some heavenly creatures and then they perform there. So he's saying that if you should close all my doors, and the moment you hear the drums and the shouting and screaming of people, you just do not come to the casement. Casements refers to the basically it is portico. It is a kind of portico. Not trust your head out in the public street. You should keep yourself inside. Do not peep out to gaze on Christian fools with varnished faces, but stop my houses here. And saying that do not try to look on the Christian faces who have put it varnish on their faces, but try to close all the sound coming into my house. I mean my casements, let not the sound of shallow foppery enter my sober house. So he's saying that you close everything there. Let not the sound of foppery is a musical instrument. He's saying that let not its sound enter into my house because that I don't want that to happen. By Jacob's staff, I swear I have no mind of feasting forth tonight, but I will go. Go you before me, Sarah. Say I will come. So he's saying I have no mind, no thought even to go there, but he's saying I will have to go. I'll have to go. So he's saying to Lancelot, you go before me, Sarah, and tell them I am coming. Now, Jacob's staff refers is the god of Jews, and his staff is something a stick which he has in his hand, which this shows his temporal power. Launcelot, I'll go before sir. Mistress, look out at the window for all this. There will come a Christian boy, will be worth a Jewish eye. So he's saying that I'll go before, right? I'll go before you, but you should look out for the window for this, as the Christian boy will come who will worth Jewish eye, means uh, who will be Jewish eye here refers to Jessica, and he's saying that the person who will be coming here will be very pleased to your eyes to see. So I stop here, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it. And until we meet again, it's a goodbye.